The Wi-Fi network keeps connecting on its own. I'll teach you how to solve this problem right now. The first way to fix this issue of it constantly dropping and disconnecting is as follows. You click the start button with the right button, then click on Device Manager. Click here and follow all the ways to resolve this issue. If it works, please comment which method worked for you, and if I helped you and you want to support my work, I will provide ways to cooperate in the description video and in the first pinned comment. Here in Device Manager, here's what you're going to do. You're gonna look for your network adapter, click on this little arrow on the corner, and it will show you the drives here, and check which Wi-Fi network adapter, wireless, whatever. Mine is this one here, called Dell Wireless. It will always be a longer name, probably with the wireless writing as well. You're gonna click with the right button on it, go to Properties, and then you're gonna click on Power Management. Then you're going to disable this option right here. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is to disable this option. Then press OK. You're gonna see if it's checked, of course. If not, to save power, your laptop, you end up deactivating it, and you have to keep activating with the keyboard shortcut keys on the laptop. So the first step was that. If it worked, please leave a comment. If it didn't, let's move on to the second method of how to fix these Wi-Fi problems that it keeps disconnecting on its own. Once again, you are going to come here to the Start menu, and you are going to type Edit Power Plan. Click on it and it will open this screen for you, which is the Power Plan settings. You're gonna click on Change Advanced Power Settings option, and it will display this screen for you. And when you get here, you're gonna click on the part that says Wireless Adapter Settings. Click on Apply Settings here. Click on Power Saving Mode. Then you're going to click here on Battery, and here you're going to choose always the medium. It can be that your laptop, it will be on the maximum power saving. If it keeps disconnecting, you can try on the lower power saving. But what I recommend, and what works for the persons that tried, is to choose the medium power saving. Click on it and then Apply, and then OK. So this is the second method. Do this and see if your Wi-Fi internet's now functioning. If it hasn't worked, let's move on to the next step. So the next way for you to resolve this issue is go to your Wi-Fi network, click on the right button on the Wi-Fi icon, and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. And once here, click on the Wi-Fi and go to Change Adapter Options. When you go here, right click on the Wi-Fi network with the right button, of course, then go to Properties. Next, click on Configure and then go to Advanced. When you're here, click on the wireless mode, and here in Advanced you are going to looking for something called wireless mode here on Properties. I don't have that. I don't know why I don't have it, but all the persons that I know and all the persons that I helped has it. So look in your list here on Properties, choose wireless mode and go to Value, and it might be on your last option. You're going to choose the option that usually ends with the G. Then you are going to click OK and see how your internet performs. So if it worked, please leave a comment, and if not, let's move on to the next step to resolve this issue, because you're gonna leave here only with your problem solved. The next step to resolve this problem is you need to update, or if necessary, reinstall your drives. So go to the Start menu, then right Device Manager again, and you're gonna find your network adapters again. Right click on it and go Update Drive. Now you're going to look for the search automatically for drives. For me, the best drive is already installed, but I can also check on the Windows update. I won't do that because for me it's working properly. It can also give me some problem if I try to do it, but as you are trying to see this video because you are trying to fix it, so you don't have to worry to try it. So I'm going to close it. But if it doesn't find an update, you have to find your drive on the internet. You have to download it, but because for some reason the Windows might be using an old or non-original drive for your motherboard, which is why it's not working properly. So you have to search it for it online, alright? So, but how to do it? You're gonna have to search for it, but how do you know what you need? So again, in the device manager, and by the way folks, if it's a hardware issue, you can also buy a wireless adapter, and it's easier and cheaper to resolve the problem by buying a Wi-Fi adapter. Repairing the laptop built-in adapter can be much more expensive if you take it to a technician, so that's also a good option to buy a Wi-Fi adapter. In the device manager, you find the name of your wireless adapter, like right here. You're going to click in properties. So here you are going to details, and now in value you are going to click with the right button and go copy. Now you're going to open the Google or whatever the navigator that you use. You're going to paste it. You're going to write in the end driver download. Now you're going to choose probably the first option. You're gonna read, of course, if it's your drive, if it's matching with the thing that you searched for. You're gonna click, and for me right here, loading a little bit of the page, that is the option for download. Usually you find that quickly on your first search, and once find, like I said, it's simple click on download and install, and you're good to go. I won't do this here because I don't need to, but you can do it. Then probably you have to restart the laptop and you're done. If any of the methods worked, please leave a comment to help others that are watching those videos. You can also support my work. Everything will be in the description. See you in the next video and take care.